Hi traders, welcome to this week's TG Market Review with our pre-weekly outlook June 15th. We've decided to do a direct analysis and focus on the Australian dollar and the USDJPY. Just briefly guys, last week was a very hectic week, especially as the Bank of Japan came out and announced that they would maintain their stimulus. And we basically saw the euro selling off against the dollar, but the pound stronger against the dollar, the Japanese yen stronger against the dollar, and the Australian dollar also stronger against the US dollar. So if we look here, we can see Aussie dollar, US dollar 4-hour chart. There is a bullish channel. You can see here it moving very much in tandem with the support and resistance there in red and green. You'll excuse my drawings. And we have basically a breakout now at 0.94 on the horizon. So if we see a drop here, you could expect sharp sell-offs. It's also a major double top resistance around this price area. And otherwise, we'd be looking to stay long from here. So if we move on now and actually look at the dollar yen, again, I did mention the Japanese bank came out and maintained their stimulus policy, and the Japanese yen has been strengthening also as a safe haven. And you have this nice channel again to the downside, and we are really here on a resistance mark there. You have a doji candle, as you can see in the grey circle. So if we don't see any breakouts to the upside, there'll be more continued selling on this dollar-yen pair and yen strength. Okay. Last but not least, there are some major announcements this week, especially towards midweek. We have the FOMC meeting minutes and the rates out in the US. And not to mention the UK MPC bank rate votes for the GBP. And Friday, the Bank of Japan governor will be speaking, and that will influence the Japanese yen quite a lot. So have a fantastic week and trade safe.